Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style and size on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G, so let's see how can you change your font style or size on your phone. So you just have to open your phone settings and here just scroll down and look for display and brightness. From here you will get two options, which is font style and font size. First, we're getting to change your font size. Just select it, and here you have to you can easily increase or decrease your font size. As you can see, I have increased my font size. Now go back. There you can see the font size has been increased. Now I'm going to change my font style. You just have to select font style, and here you will get different font style available in your phone. Here are two system fonts, but there are some downloaded fonts which I have downloaded. Just tap on download more and you can easily download different fonts from here. There are some free or some paid fonts for your phone. Now go back and you have to select one which you want. And I'm going to select randomly this one. So just tap on it and here you will get the preview of this font, that how will your phone look like after applying this. Just tap on apply and your font style will be changed. So that's how you can easily change your font style or font size in your Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.